Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A23 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first let's slide with our two fingers at the same time to the center, and then we'll see here a widgets icon. Just click once here on the icon, and here we can see all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's use the Gmail application widget. We can see here one widget and one shortcut. Or for example, let's use the Chrome or the calendar widget. Here we can see that we have 4 different types of the widgets. The first one, the list, the month, day and today, and the full month view. For example, let's use the list. You should click on the widget and tap to add, and now we can see that this widget added successfully to your home screen. If you want to resize the widget, you should hold it for a while, and now we can make it bigger or smaller. As you can see, that's so simple. Just to move widget here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and then just drag it. And to create the new screen with a widget, you should just by the same way hold and drag it to the right side of your bottom. And just if you want to remove it from your home screen, you should hold it and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.